Hi Pinoy Techies, mga ka-Cherry and TP friends! Sa wakas, dumating na sa Tech Pinas Hideout ang all-new Cherry Mobile Flare S8. Okay, so join me as I unbox and set up Cherry Mobile's 2019 Game Changer, which only costs 3,999 pesos. Let's go!
Okay, so what I have here is the official retail unit, and as you can see, this box has the image of the handset printed on top as well as its name. And here we have the slogan of Cherry Mobile for this phone, which is the Game Changer. At the back, we have some of the key features and technical specifications of this phone, including the Android 9.0 Pie OS, the octa-core 2.0 GHz processor, the 3 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of internal storage. It also has a dual rear camera module, so that's 13 megapixels plus 2 megapixels and a 13 megapixel front-facing camera. This phone has dual SIM and LTE support. Then the screen is a 6.2-inch HD Plus TrueView teardrop display, so it has a teardrop notch. Of course, it has fingerprint scanner. The battery size is 2,800 milliamp hours. And finally, it has a micro SD card slot supporting up to 128 gigs. Okay, now let's pull off the outer sleeve to reveal the handset inside. So slowly lang, medyo snug fit siya. Yan, dahan-dahan. Alright. Mga ka-Cherry and TP friends, this is the Cherry Mobile Flare S8 with teardrop display. And as you can see, it has this plastic sticker on top which protects it during shipment. Meron din tong listahan ng mga features na nabanggit ko kanina. Okay, so ngayon tanggalin na natin yung phone dito sa cradle niya. And there you have it. Mamaya papakita ko sa inyo how it looks. But for now, tingnan muna natin lahat ng mga nandito sa loob ng box. This one also protects the phone during shipment. And this is the quick start guide, I think. So it's nice because it's practically just a card. It's not a pamphlet or a booklet. So hindi ka mabobore basahin. And here we have all of the features of the phone, yung mga exterior features niya, including the front-facing camera and all of the buttons. Dito naman sa likod, you have the guide for getting started. And apparently dito makita natin na meron tong hybrid secondary nano SIM slot, which can also take in a micro SD card for memory expansion. Nice! Ngayon, tanggalin natin to at tingnan natin yung kung ano pa nasa loob. Ayan. So this is about Cherry prepaid features and promos that you can subscribe to. So kung Cherry prepaid SIM user ka, tingnan mo yan. Ano pa ba? Oh, so this package comes with a soft gel case, which is really nice because you won't have to purchase one separately. Ito, gustong-gusto ko yung mga soft gel case ng Cherry Mobile kasi yung mga grooves niya for the buttons hindi matigas. So, madali lang pindutin yung volume rocker tsaka yung power button even if nakalagay na siya. Okay? Siyempre, meron din tayong earphones or headset at meron tong microphone, so you can also use this for making calls. Tapos may silicone buds na rin siya, kaya noise cancelling na rin yan. Ito naman, the micro USB to USB connector cable for charging the phone and also for connecting it to a laptop or a desktop. This is the wall charger and it supports 1.2A output. So medyo ganitong look, pretty standard from Cherry Mobile. And finally, we have this metal pin for ejecting the SIM card tray.
Okay, so that's the complete retail package of the Cherry Mobile Flare S8. Okay, so ngayon buksan na natin and let's do an initial setup. But first, let's remove the sticker. Actually, sa harap at likod yan eh. Tanggalin na natin. And, sarap na.
Actually, yung sa likod, wala siyang flap. So, you just have to carefully pry the sticker starting sa sides niya. Okay, dito. Okay. But I suggest you keep this one kasi andito yung IMEI number ninyo eh. Again, what I have here is the iris purple version. Parang gem, di ba? Ganda. For me, this is probably the most gorgeous base flare series eh. Ito talaga yung pinakamaganda. Very updated din kasi yung ganitong design language. And I don't know if you can see it, pero meron din tong mga micro lines underneath the glass. And nakakatulong din siya para maging mas maganda yung kinang ng phone. Okay, so before I turn it on, pakita ko lang sa inyo yung different sides ng phone. Ito yung right side and nandito yung ating slot for the dual nano SIM cards. Ito naman yung left side, pag nakaharap sa inyo yung screen. Ito yung volume rocker natin at ito naman yung power button. Sa taas, makikita natin yung micro USB port at yung ating 3.5mm audio jack. And finally, sa rear, nandyan yung loudspeaker holes natin na nakahilera. And meron ding maliit na butas dito for the microphone. Okay, now we're ready to turn on the Cherry Mobile Flare S8. So long press lang natin yung power button. Yan. So it says here, powered by Android. Again, this phone is already running Android 9.0 Pie. Yan. The familiar Cherry Mobile ringtone. Alright, so setup na natin. I'm good with English. Start. Connect to mobile network. Skip muna natin to. Kailangan natin mag-connect sa Wi-Fi para makapag-login tayo sa Google account natin. So, ko-connect muna ako. Yan. After connecting, mag-check na yan for updates. If you already have an existing Google account, dito pwede mo nang kopyahin yung mga apps, photos, and contacts na meron ka siguro dun sa dati mong telepono dito sa bagong Cherry Mobile Flare S8. Pero sa ngayon, piliin ko muna don't copy. Agree tayo dito. Here we can turn on or turn off Google services. Tingin ko kailangan ko lahat to, so I'll just accept this. Isa sa mga magagandang security features ng phone na to, meron siyang fingerprint scanner. Yun nga siya, yung nasa likod. To register a fingerprint, you just need to touch the sensor at the back several times. So ito siya. So ito lang yung gagamitin ko, yung pointer fingerprint ko. So gaganunin mo lang siya. Yan. Paulit-ulit. Keep tapping on it. And you just make sure na lahat nung buong surface area ng fingerprint mo is touching the sensor. Ayan. So na-add na. Next. Meron na ring built-in Google Assistant tong phone na to, so you can talk to it and ask Google to do stuff for you. Okay, agree. Alright, so I'm all set. Continue. Anything else? You can add another fingerprint, change the font size kung naliliitan kayo, and also change the wallpaper. No thanks na muna. Adding finishing touches, and there you go. That's the home screen of the Cherry Mobile Flare S8. Laki ng screen, di ba? And kita nyo naman, ano na siya, halos all screen face na siya. And ang maganda pa dito, talagang parang vanilla Android experience na siya. Check out the settings here. Okay, so like what I said, this phone has 32 gigs of internal storage. Pero actually, ang magagamit mo lang talaga upon setting up the phone is 26.33 gigs, which is not bad at all.
Gaya ng nasabi ko kanina during the start of this video, the Cherry Mobile Flare S8 is now available nationwide for only $3,999. Available din tong phone na to in Crimson Blue, Twilight Sunset, Imperial Red, and Emerald Mist. So, ang dami yung color options for this phone. So, offhand, what do I think about it? At $3,999, ang gaganda na ng mga technical specifications na makukuha mo. You have the 6.26-inch HD Plus IPS display na sobrang na siya, all-screen face na siya, kaya hindi rin ganun kalaki yung phone kahit na ang laki ng screen niya. Parang mas maliit din yung footprint niya. So, very pocketable pa rin siya, diba? Tas HD Plus, pwede na siya for a phone in this price category. Now, as for the technical specifications, you have the 16 nanometers 2.2 GHz octa-core MediaTek Helio P23 processor na fairly capable naman na siya, no? So this phone can run many of the games that you can download from the Google Play Store, including Mobile Legends. Siguro hindi nga lang super smooth yung experience compared to the Flare S8 Pro and Plus versions, pero pwede naman na siya given the price, diba? You also have 3 gigs of RAM, which is for good multitasking experience. This is one of the highest sa presyong ganito, and also the 32 gigs of internal storage. Okay, now, isa pa sa nagandahan ako dito talaga yung design niya. So, pinakita ko naman kanina ang ganda ng iris purple, and marami pa kayong mga colors na pagpipilian. Ganito ako confident sa design nito. If you go to the store, to any Cherry Mobile concept store or kiosk, tingnan ninyo, play with it, and I'm sure that you will be impressed sa kung gaano kaganda tong phone na to for a phone that costs $3,999. Now, for the imaging capabilities, you have a dual rear camera module, 13 plus 5, so that's 13 megapixel main camera plus 5 megapixel depth sensor. Tatry natin yan. I'll make a separate Tech Pinas post for that. And also for selfies, this phone has a 13 megapixel front-facing camera, which is, you know, that's a very high resolution front cam sa ganitong price category. Check it out. I recommend this new Android smartphone. Thumbs up. Alright, so there you have it. If you have any questions about the Cherry Mobile Flare S8, just leave them in the comment section below. Again, this phone is now available nationwide for just 3,999 pesos. Thumbs up.